Red Cat 462.
Tango Foxtrot India Charlie Echo, number 3, runway 24 right, cleared to land. Number 3, cleared to land, runway 24 right, Tango Foxtrot India Charlie Echo. Los Angeles Tower, Alpha 7 Quebec Tango Romeo Heavy is 29 nautical miles to the north at 9,700 feet, inbound for landing with information Echo, requesting runway 24 right. Los Angeles Tower, JetBlue 536, ready for departure at runway 25 right, departing straight out. Air China 987 Heavy, maintain slowest practical speed. JetBlue 536, wind 260 at 8, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
Maintain slowest practical speed. Air China 987 Heavy.
Alaska 1905, exit runway when able, contact ground on the taxiway. Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, JetBlue 536. Los Angeles Tower, WestJet 411, ready for departure at runway 24 left, departing straight out.
Wilco, Alaska 1905.
Delta 563, when able turn left and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final.
Wilco, Delta 563.
WestJet 411, line up and wait runway 24 left. Line up and wait runway 24 left, WestJet 411. Red Cat 462, number 1, runway 25 left, cleared to land.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 25 left, Red Cat 462.
Southwest 888, maintain best forward speed. Maintain best forward speed, Southwest 888, Air Canada 767 Heavy, frequency change approved, good day.
Frequency change approved. Air Canada 767 Heavy, good day.
WestJet 411, wind 260 at 8, runway 24 left, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 24 left, WestJet 411. Alpha 7 Quebec Tango Romeo Heavy, enter right base runway 24 right, number 3, traffic to follow is on right base. Enter right base, runway 24 right, behind the traffic on right base, Alpha 7 Quebec Tango Romeo Heavy. Delta 563, cross runway 24 left.
Crossing runway 24 left, Delta 563.
Southwest 888, when able turn left and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Wilco, Southwest 888.